Hello, Latin 4. This is your favorite Latin teacher, Mrs. Qualiata. Just want to give you a high five. Anyway, today we're going to talk about a couple of figures of speech or devices of style in poetry. And one of the things that you saw when you did your translation of lines 195 to 209, some of you, was pleonasm. And pleonasm is basically stating the obvious. It's superfluous. It's when Virgil says Aeneas spoke voce with his voice. Obviously, he spoke with his voice. You could say Aeneas saw oculis with his eyes. Okay, just kind of redundant for emphasis. Chiasmus. Remember that synthesis was A-B word pattern? Well, now we have A-B-B-A word pattern. So an example was in line 209 of your translation of the Aeneid, book 1, where we saw an accusative, then a verb, then we saw a verb, and we saw another accusative. Spem simulat premit dolorem. Accusative, verb, verb, accusative. A, B, B, A. So an English example of that would be, ask not what your country can do for you, ask what you can do for your country. It's inverting, and again, it's kind of a cool way to, state your case, make a point. And in Latin, it just kind of looks cool. And of course, a lot of these things are just ways to fit that meter, that dactylic hexameter that is pretty difficult in just about any language. And that is a future lesson all about dactylic hexameter, the meter of epic poetry in the ancient world. So I hope that this helps. I will be continuing with a couple more. So stay tuned, stay healthy. See you soon, I hope.